embedded into the hill. Look at this right here. Built right on the bedrock. It would never build right on the bedrock. Look at the damage. This is all just complete damage. Try to tell us it's all natural, but there's nothing natural about this, guys. This is aftermath. This is aftermath of something that destroyed this realm we walk on. I know what's in here. Definitely some sort of, went to some sort of structure. Look at it. I can't get the moss out of it. Thing is destroyed. Because I saw this crazy wall from that bridge. Look at how the wall just turns into the natural bedrock right here. Just natural rocks, all of a sudden into this crazy, janky block wall. It's crazy, guys. Why would it go into the bedrock like this? Yes. All done with horse and carriage, guys. Is what they have us believe. What they actually taught us in school. Look at it has like a round arch to it. Like goes right here. With the blocks, with the big blocks. Remember, guys, horse and carriage is what they're trying to tell us. Horse and carriage. Look at the brick wall. Oh, I think they are bricks. This one, to me, it's hard to figure out what's really going on here. Are they blocks designed as bricks? Or is it old brick wall? Get it?
I don't know. Oh, it's clay-like. I don't know if I can. I need your help.
See this wonky granite and brick mix right here? Looks pretty messy. Somehow ended up being perfectly level. Little granite entrance coming to the other side. Oh, I guess they just put red bricks in to patch it up. Of course they did. Of course they put red bricks in there to patch it up. That's what they always do, right? Looks like they put something weird down there and then 2 red bricks, a rock. Nice and close. How did this all get in here? Why is there bricks down in what's supposed to be the concrete? And this looks like it was exposed to some super heat, some sort of damage here. And I don't think this is how they built the place. I don't think they put bricks down in the concrete down here. So you got bricks in here, bricks over in here. Just mushed up right here. Just mushed up. The rest of it just looks completely damaged and melted. Red brick, and then you got granite piece. Super melted out.